All right, so I walk outside and I have this package out here. So the thing about this package is it was kind of tricky when I was ordering them because I was ordering them off Amazon and their description was like not adding up to what the picture said. All right, I have them right here laid down on the grass. About to open them up. Funny thing is my brother doesn't know that we got him these. So you can already see what they are. But let's reveal them. Let me take them off the bag and then you'll be able to see how they look. Sheesh, look at that. Carbon fiber grills with the double slot. Hell yeah. Pretty fast. Ordered them off Amazon. They took a day to get here, which is pretty sick. Better than most carbon companies that be taking like 1 or 2 weeks for you to get your order. They're gonna look so clean, especially because of the ones on my brother's car. This is black and then this is chrome, so it looks ugly, especially with the white. You can't have white with chrome. You need some black or some carbon, so this is gonna look really good. He has finally gotten the missing piece of the puzzle. He doesn't even know, so I'm gonna let him know once he gets off work and we're gonna install these bad boys. It's gonna change the whole front end. I also noticed that the quality on the camera, it looks much better now. I think I had the settings wrong the whole time. Man, you see how it kind of focuses and the way it moves? I had it on like HD instead of 4K, so maybe that's why. But yeah, I'm gonna put these away, bring them out once my brother gets home. Right now my boy Chada's gonna pull up in his S13 2JZ. We're gonna wash that shit real quick. I think I hear my boy Chada pulling up. Sick ass food, no brakes, head ass. He better wash up his car. Sick ass food with no windows. Activities with Chada. About to take the homie on a spin. He's about to sit himself. Sick ass food. I guess I got dropped off right here. He left me. shit hard as fuck right now. About to do his grills. Finally. Look at those ugly ass ones. So my brother got these off already.
These are all broken.
But he broke the front clips. Well, not the front, but the top ones. Because they wouldn't want to come out.
Have to get these.
Work mode when the hat goes backwards.
Oh shit.
This nigga almost flew back when he pulled that shit.
Bend my nail back.
Oh, for some girls. Nigga. My boy, all mad. Dehydrated ass food.
Yeah. Wanna take the Gatorade?
All for some grills. Huge difference, bro. Oh shit.
Last one.
Okay. About to break it.
Bro, that shit really snaps right now. There, huh?
Yep.
Sheesh.
Sheesh, baby M3 right here. Man, Tacuache, what's up?
A few moments later.
Finally taking it on a spin. Roll. Alright, so I just got home from the drive. The grills are still on and secure. Looks super sick. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Stay tuned. I have a couple of homies who have modded cars and stuff, so we're gonna be adding those to the channel. But yeah, stay tuned. See you guys in the next video.